Hello everybody, welcome back to Sticker Teacher. I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, I am going to be teaching you common Vietnamese greetings and how to pronounce them. So let's get started. So the very first thing we may say to someone is hello, right? In Vietnamese, we say Xin Chào. So Xin sounds like Xin in English and Chào sounds like Ciao Ciao in Italian. Xin Chào. We can also say Chào, which means hi, and this is way more informal and natural. Chào buổi sáng. Good morning. Now we learn how to say this phrase with slow speed. Chào buổi sáng. I think buổi is quite tricky for most non-native Vietnamese people. So let's say bu and e separately, then combine them and speak them very quickly. For example, buổi, 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 buổi. Chào buổi sáng. Chào buổi sáng. Chào buổi trưa. Good afternoon. So how to say trưa? Alright, say trưa. Then trưa, 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 trưa. Chào buổi trưa. Chào buổi trưa. Chào buổi tối. Good evening. So tối is quite rare in English. To say this word, start with toe, but not like t, but ta, and e, then combine them and speak them very quickly. For example, tô y, tô y, tô y, tô y, tôi. Okay? This is not completely correct way to pronounce it, but it gives you an idea and tips to say the word. Anyhow, it's better to listen to my voice and practice it until you make it. Chào buổi tối. Chào buổi tối. Chúc ngủ ngon. Good night. Chúc ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon. Now we learn how to say how are you in Vietnamese. Bạn khỏe không? Notice that the KH in Vietnamese sounds like k. Okay? Now say it. K. Then where? Combine them and speak more quickly. Where? Bạn khỏe không? And remember to say the tone, which is khỏe. Okay? Bạn khỏe không? Bạn khỏe không? To reply to this question, if you are good, you say tôi khỏe. Tôi khỏe. Tôi khỏe. If you want to say I'm okay, say tôi bình thường or tôi ổn. Tôi bình thường or tôi ổn. If you are not good, you can say tôi không khỏe. Tôi không khỏe. Tôi không khỏe. Tôi không khỏe. Finally, if you like to say bye to someone, say chào tạm biệt. Chào tạm biệt. Chào tạm biệt. And a bit quite shorter. Tạm biệt. Tạm biệt. Okay, that's it for today. I hope now you can have a basic conversation with Vietnamese people. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Chào tạm biệt.